Standard 9 Geometry exercise 1.2 and 1.3. Today we are going to do exercise 1.1 is done before, so I am going to leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. So starting with the exercise 1.2, the question is the following table shows point on a number line and their coordinates. Decide whether the pairs of the segment given below the table are congruent or not. A table has been given to us with the points and the coordinates. We have to find whether these two segments are congruent or no. How we are going to find? If the answers are going to come the same, then these segments are supposed to be congruent. For that, we will see that D, what is D coordinate? Minus 7 and E coordinate is 9. So you will see that 9 is greater than minus C. As I have explained it, this thing I have explained it exercise 1.1, so you can go through that. So 9 is greater than minus 7. After that, what we have to do is compare these two numbers. Now as we did in the first exercise, distance of DE, we have to subtract this distance. So 9 minus 7. So minus and minus will give us plus 7 and 9. Therefore, the answer is going to be 16. Distance of DE is going to be 16. Got it? This is the first answer. Now, the second one is segment AB. So, we are going to find segment AB. Segment AB in which A is supposed to be minus 3. The coordinates have been given in the table. You can follow it. B is supposed to be 5. Got it? So again we have to take distance of AB. You will see that 5 is greater than minus 3. So what will be the answer? We have to subtract 5 from minus 3. That is 5 minus 3. 2 negative gives us positive. So the answer is going to be 8. Therefore, distance of AB will be 8. Now you will see, comparing the answers from 1 and 2, the answers are different. Therefore, here we have got 16 and here we have got 8. So, from 1 and 2, segment DE is not congruent with segment AB. When we get the answer same from both the segments, we can write it is congruent, but it is not, so we are writing it not congruent. Now moving towards the second question, that is, hope you will be able to do the next other questions from this exercise because they are same. We have to solve in this way only. We have to compare the two segments and write whether they are congruent or not. It is very easy, so I am not solving all the examples. I am taking only the difficult ones. So moving towards the question number 2, point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB. If AB is 8 and then find length of AM. Now what is midpoint? Midpoint means it divides the line into two equal parts, as I have explained it in exercise 1.1 as well. So M is the midpoint. So if the line is 8 centimeter, M will divide the line into 2 equal parts, that is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter each. This total will give you 8. Therefore, how are you going to write it? Suppose length of AM is equal to half the length of AB. AM is equal to half the length of AB. Orally we did it. Now practically we have to write it and show. So half. We know that length of AB is how much? 8 centimeter. They have given us. AB is 8 centimeter. So place the value of 8 over here. Reduce this. You will get length of AM is equal to 4 centimeter. Only 4. Got it? In this way you have to solve the example. I'll take the fourth sum. Third sum is also in the same way as we did the second sum. So I am not solving it because it's almost same. Only the numbers are changing. So I am not taking the third sum. You have to do it on your own. I'll be moving towards the fourth question. That is AB is 5 centimeter, BP is equal to 2 centimeter and AP is 3.4 centimeter. Can compare the segments. We have to compare these segments. Now you will see that obviously 5 is greater, after that 3.4 is greater, and then 2. How are you going to compare? For this, what you have to do is write these signs. By writing these signs, you will be able to show that 5 is greater than 3.4, 3.4 is greater than 2, and in the same order you have to write AB is greater than AP and AP is greater than BP. That's it. In this way we have to compare and show. Only in 2 steps the question is over. We don't have to write it. We don't have to write it in words. By writing this sign also we can state whether 5 is greater, 3.4 is greater or 2 is greater. Accordingly we have to place the signs under them. Got it? Now question number 5. Moving towards question number 5. A number line has been given to us. Okay, some coordinates have been given. T, S, R, P, Q. We have to answer the questions. Now, first question is write the names of the opposite ray of ray RP. RP is the ray. Suppose RP is the ray. What will be the opposite ray? RT. Got it? So, only one word you have to write. That is ray RT. RP they have given us. And what is the opposite ray? RT. Sorry, RT. So, moving towards the second. So in this way you have to solve rest of the question in the question answer form. So you can do it on your own. Moving towards question number 6. In this also the first 2 questions are question and answers. You can do it on your own. We have to just observe the number line and give the answers. So I will move towards the question number 3. From question 6, question number 3. In this we have to find the distance of UV, PC. The distances have been given to us from the number line. So we have to just write the coordinates. We have to write the coordinates and then subtract it. That's it. As we did in the question number 1. So distance of U and V. What is distance of UV? First we have to write the coordinate of U. U is supposed to be -5 and V is equal to 5. Now we know that 5 is greater than -5. Therefore distance of U and V will be 5 minus 5. Got it? So minus and minus will give you plus 5. The answer is supposed to be 10. Therefore distance of U and V is going to be 10. In the same way we have to find distance of PC also. P coordinate is -2. C coordinate is 4. 4 is greater than -2. Therefore distance of PC is supposed to be 4 minus -2. So minus and -2 negative gives us 1 positive. Your answer will be 6. So distance of PC is 6. In this way we have to find the coordinates of UL and one more is remaining, that is VB. The coordinates have been given in the number line in the textbook. In the question itself the coordinates are there. So you have to only place them, subtract them, minus them. If there is minus, you have to minus them. If there is addition, you have to do the addition and write the answer. That's it. Hope you understood it. If there are any queries, please mention in the comment box. I'll try to answer those questions. Thank you.